Apple did not disclose any new hardware during its inaugural address to WWDC 2018, as promised by Tim Cook at the beginning of the show. We did not get any new Macs, a second-generation SE for iPhone or a cheaper HomePod, which means we'll have to wait for Apple's next presentation of some of these devices to become known. The company is not expected to host more events until mid-September when its iPhone press conference. But we do not have to wait until September to try to answer one of the most critical questions we have about the iPhone X Plus to be held this year: how big will the phone really be? Several reports affirmed that the iPhone X Plus will arrive this year with a 6.5-inch OLED screen, and will be as big as the iPhone 8 Plus now. Of course, we already expect Apple to do that, considering that the iPhone X has approximately the same dimensions as the 4.7-inch iPhone. While different sources claim that Apple will have 3 new successors of the iPhone X in stores this fall, how do we know that there is an iPhone X Plus, and how can we talk about its actual size? From Apple and its iOS 12 test that preceded the WWDC event,